Hello YouTube people, just a little sneak peek video of what's coming up next week. I'm currently still on holidays, so that's why I'm not making videos currently, and I just came back from Italy yesterday. So today the first thing I did, I went to the post office and pick up things that were already waiting for me. So let's do a quick opening video. I already unboxed those watches, but I just want to show you what I got just for fun. So first packaging, Militado. This watch. The story with this watch is that I already had this watch in my chart, waiting for some kind of sale to buy this watch. But I got email from Aliexpress telling me that they're gonna give me some money. All I have to do is just buy a watch from them and put a link in the description under my video. So I took the money, added a little bit of my own money on top, and I bought the watch that I already had in my chart. I really wanted this watch. I think it looks wonderful, and let's put it on my wrist. Really can't wait to make full video on this watch next week. We'll show you how it looks on custom straps and everything, and I need a little bit more time with this watch to see how it looks like from a lot more different angles and different situations. What can I tell you already? I like the size of this watch. The size on my 16.5 centimeter wrist is just perfect. Size of this watch on my wrist is really good, and it looks just so good. And one thing, bezel. It feels so good. It's like edges are not sharp but very grippy, and it has very nice stiffness, and alignment, as I can see, is great. I mean, it's really good looking watch. Really good looking watch. I saw something like that in Milan and Rome last week with huge price tags, by the way. So I'm just doing a little bit of window shopping in Italy and thinking to myself, man, once I come back home I go straight to post office and pick up something like that. That's amazing. Okay, so next watch is also Militado. Which one is this one? Oh, this one. Also interesting story about this watch. Also had this watch in my chart. I was waiting for some kind of a sale because it's a new model and I really like the design of this watch. So I really wanted this for myself, but it's just coincidence that Militado sent me an email telling me that, hey, let's do a collaboration. We're gonna send your watch, make a video. So if you choose a cheap watch, we're gonna send it for free. But if you choose a little bit expensive watch, you have to pay a little bit of the price by yourself. So basically, they gave me roughly half the price, this watch. So Militado, thank you very much. I already wanted this watch, so I'm very happy that I got it. It's just so nice. There are two options. One option with numbers and another one as this one without numbers. And the reason why I chose this one is because it looks a little bit more complex. I just personally like this dial a little bit better. I like that there is a lot more details around edges, around seconds track, minute track, and man, this thing looks just so good. It's so good. One thing I thought this watch gonna look a little bit more vintagey in person, but it looks more modern than vintage in my opinion. And with a dressy shirt, oh yes, oh yes. It's a very nice looking, very sophisticated looking watch. Oh yes, I can't wait to make a video about this watch, put it on all kinds of different straps. But I think the original black one probably looks the best. It's nice strap, by the way. It's flexible, inside feels nice. Very slim watch. Well, it's not very slim watch, but it's pretty slim watch. Has this quartz movement that I like very much with. Oh no, not that one, but still quartz, better than automatic for me personally. They're just personal preferences, Next watch has that quartz movement that I like very much, that I was talking about. Man, just look at this thing. And sapphire crystal, by the way, very good clarity. Very good clarity, sapphire crystal. This just looks nice. And look at this sapphire crystal. Such a beautiful watch. You know, I've been to Italy and did a little bit of window shopping, looking at some very expensive fancy watches, and I saw a bunch of these, and I have not seen anything like that. But this watch definitely looks like something that would belong to those, you know, shopping windows with a bunch of other very expensive fancy watches. This watch looks just incredible. Okay, another watch. Okay, I already changed the strap on this watch. Originally it comes with this strap, the bracelet, but I'm planning to do a video on this watch first. So I already swapped out to something that I personally like better than a bracelet. And quick look at this watch. Hold on a second, let me move those hands out of the way. So this watch has that quartz movement that I like very much. Sweeping second hand, also looks screw down crown. So in Italy, window shopping, I saw a bunch of watches with this style. You know what I'm talking about, but they all were black dial watches, and I chose this one with a brown one because I think it looks just so special, and it does. This brown dial has this very interesting sunburst effect of some kind, which I struggle to show you right now, but it looks very rich, very playful, very much alive. The way it shades out and shades in, it's the way it plays out in the light, it's just so good. And on this suede brown leather strap, I think it looks just wonderful. Man, and the size of this watch on my wrist, wow, man, this brown dial is just so gorgeous. It's insane. Wow, this looks unbelievable. Can't wait to do a photo shoot on this watch, on all of them. They look amazing. You know what's nice is that all of them I have actually chosen myself, so they are actually watches that I wanted. You know, I already had these two in my chart looking to buy, but you know, the situation was a little bit better. And this one, watchdives.com contacted me and offered me a collaboration, and I chose this watch because I think it looks unbelievable. Man, just look at this thing. You know, in pictures and in video it looks a little bit like simple, a little bit boring perhaps, but in person this watch has very nice character. Very nice character watch. All of them. This one as well. This one looks like some kind of it's more of a dress watch than everyday watch, in my opinion. It's very fancy, very sophisticated, elegant watch. This one is an everyday watch, definitely. Oh, it looks so good. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. And this brown dial, wow, man, just look at this thing, especially on this suede brown leather strap. It just, wow, it looks incredible. It looks amazing. And I got one more thing. This thing. So I'm planning to make a full video with this thing where I'll do comparison timegrapher on the phone app versus actual timegrapher. We're gonna see what's the difference. Is the phone app accurate enough, how far it goes from actual timegrapher, and I'm gonna play with a bunch of watches just to see how accurate they are. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you today. I have lots of plans what to do with the remaining time of my holiday together with my wife. So just a quick sneak peek of what I got, what's coming up next week. Amazing. First of all, Aliexpress, thank you for sponsoring this channel. I really wanted this watch. Thank you for helping me out and buy this watch. This one, Militado, thank you so much for giving me a very big discount on this watch. I really wanted this watch. It looks unbelievable. And Watchdives, thank you for this wonderful watch. It looks just unbelievable. It looks like definitely like one of those watches that I saw last week in Italy doing window shopping. But interesting thing, as I told you, I saw plenty of them with different sizes, different price tags, but all of them were black dial options, and this one is brown, and I think it looks just so special with brown dial. Wow, I can't wait to make videos on these watches. They just wow, amazing. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.